I'm about to show you 8 ways to make money online that don't involve AI tools, selling digital product, or any of those same methods everyone keeps recommending. Let's get into it. If you are new to my channel, my name is Vanity. I talk about real ways to make money online using what you already have, so you can create more freedom in your life. All right, let me show you these 8 ways. So the first way is online tutoring. And I know what you're thinking. You might be thinking like, I'm not a teacher, but guess what? You don't have to be. If you are good at any subject, math, English, science, even Excel, or guitar, you can teach it online and get paid. Here's how it works. You sign up on platforms like Preply, Wyzant, if I'm saying that right, tutor.com, and check tutors. So you set your own hours and you work from home through video calls, and you would get paid per session. The average tutoring rate is between $25 and $80 per hour, depending on your subject and your experience. Even beginners can start at $15 to $20 per hour and work their way up. If you tutor for 10 hours a week at $25 per hour, that is $1,000 a month. And the best part, you don't need a teaching degree for most platforms. You just need to know your subject well enough to explain it clearly. Why this work? Parents are spending more on tutoring than ever. The tutoring market is expected to grow by almost 29 billion between 2025 and 2029. That means that demand is high and it's not slowing down. Method 2 is freelance services, but I'm talking about the real ones that people actually need, not just only social media management that everyone talks about. I'm talking about transcription, which is turning audio to text, proofreading and editing, fixing grammar and formatting, data entry, which is organizing information for businesses. Another one is virtual assistant work. This is managing emails, schedules, and customer support. These are simple, in-demand services that don't require fancy skills. Platforms to use. You can use Rev for transcription work. You can set up Upwork or Fiverr for freelance gigs that people can order. And freelancer.com, which have tons of jobs posted. Transcriptionists can make $15 to $30 per hour depending on accuracy and speed. Virtual assistants, they're making $20 to $50 per hour. Even proofreading can pay $20 to $40 per hour if you are good at catching mistakes. The key here is consistency. Start small, build reviews, and increase your rate as you get more experienced. All right, number 3 is user testing. This is where a company pays you to test their website and apps and give feedback. You literally just click around, say what you think out loud, and get paid. Most tests take 10 to 20 minutes and pay $10 to $60 per test. Platforms that you can use is user testing, which pays $10 per 20-minute testing. You can use Try My UI, which pays $10 per test. Another one is Userlytics, which pays up to $90 for long sessions. Another platform is Respondent, which is a higher paying focus groups. This can pay up to $50 to $200 per session. This isn't a full-time income, but if you do 5 tests a week, that's an extra $200 to $300 a month. And the best part, you don't need any experience. You just need to be honest about what you see and how the website feels to use. Companies are desperate for real users' feedback because it helps them fix problems before launching to the public. Number 4 is remote customer service. This is one of the most beginner-friendly online jobs because companies provide all the training. Your job is simple. Answer customers' questions. That's through email, chat, and phone. Help people solve problems. Follow scripts and guidelines that the company provides you. Companies that are hiring right now is Concentrix, which is always hiring remote support. The next one is TTEC, which have customer service across multiple industries. Another one is Capital One. They have chat-based support roles. And Liviops, which have flexible scheduling. Customer service reps make $13 to $23 per hour. Most positions are full-time or part-time, and you can choose a shift that fits your schedule. And if you don't like talking on the phone, many companies now offer text to chat roles where you only type in. Number 5 is remote bookkeeping. Now, I know this sounds complicated, but hear me out. Bookkeeping is basically organizing financial records for small businesses. You don't need a degree. You just need to learn how to use software like QuickBooks or Xero. Here's what bookkeepers do. Enter transaction into accounting software. Reconcile bank statements. Track expenses and invoices. And prepare monthly reports. Platforms and companies that are hiring is QuickBooks Live. They hire remote bookkeepers directly. Upwork, tons of small business clients, and flex jobs. They have verified remote bookkeeping jobs. Remote bookkeepers make $20 to $30 per hour on average. Some experienced bookkeepers make $50 per hour once they build a client base. The best part, you can get QuickBooks certified for free through Intuit's training program. Once you are certified, you can then market yourself as a QuickBooks expert and charge more. Small businesses always need bookkeepers, so the demand is consistent year around. Number 6 is selling stock photos. Now, you don't need a professional camera for this. If you have a smartphone and you're good at taking clean, well-lit photos, you can upload them to stock photo sites and earn money every time when someone downloads them. Here's what sells: business people working, office scenes, nature and landscapes, food and coffee shots, lifestyle and wellness images, and holiday and seasonal content. You can upload to Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, iStock, and Deposit photos. You can earn anywhere from 25 cents to $120 per download, depending on the license type. And here's the magic. You upload once, and that same photo can sell hundreds of times over the years. It's true passive income. Some photographers are making $500 to $1,000 a month just from their stock photos portfolio. The more photos you upload, the more you earn. Number 7 is online focus groups. This is where companies pay you $100 to $500 per session to share your opinions on product, services, or marketing campaigns. These aren't surveys. These are real research sessions. Platforms to use is Respondent. They pay $50 to $500 per study. User interviews. They pay $50 to $200 per session. And foreign research, which have various research studies. The key is to sign up for multiple platforms and fill out your profile completely so you get matched with studies. You won't qualify for every study, but when you do, the payout is worth it. This is one of the highest paying per hour method that is on this list. Number 8 is freelance writing. If you can write clearly and follow instructions, you can get paid to write blog posts, product descriptions, and website content. You don't need to be an award-winning author. You just need to research topics, write in a clear conversational tone, and meet deadlines. Platforms to find writing gigs is Upwork, tons of writing jobs, Contently, which connects writers with brands, Text Broker, which is a beginner-friendly platform, and Pro Blogger Job Board, which have higher paying gigs. Beginner writers make $20 to $50 per article. Experienced writers are making $100 to $500 per article, depending on length and expertise. Many freelance writers scale this into a $3,000 to $5,000 per month income within their first year. All right, so these are 8 legit ways to make money online in 2026. The key is picking one that fits your skill and committing to it for at least 30 days. Don't try all 8 at once. Pick one, get good at it, and then add another if you want. Before you go, if you need to make money fast before the holidays, I have a method that works even if you're starting from zero. Watch this video next. That video will show you a step-by-step way to hit your income goal before the end of the year. Click that video next and I will meet you there.